let's say it's in the middle of the night and you're leaving your local Walmarts or your local watering hole and whatnot, and you go out to your bubble. You're doing your normal tail light check, because that's what you do in the middle of the night, and you notice, oh, no license plate light. Well, this is all the shenanigans you have to go through in order to change that damn. Pop this right here. Open this right here. And then you got all these things that pop out. All of them. All of them. There's so many. Of course, you know, you always keep your pry tool handy. Because, you know, you always got to stay prepared, right? Yeah. Oh, that one's missing. About this one. There's some more right here. Yeah. Yeah. Then you wonder whether you have to take these all out in the first place. And the answer is probably not. I think I'm doing too much. This one's being super weird. This one's recessed. Yeah. How do you even do that? How am I supposed to get in there? And then, like, how does this come off? I don't even know. I'm trying not to break nothing. There's like a tab in there. I wonder what that does. We'll skip to this instead. Here's a little known fact. These are not Phillips. There's some weird Japanese screwdriver thing, but most of the time you can get a regular American screwdriver to work. And another one of these things. Struggle. I pushed this with my fingy and it came down. Let's see if this one does it. Don't break. Don't break. Come on, be nice to me. Oh. Shit. It took two hands. You just kind of got to work your way around these little things very carefully. I tried to do it without getting these out, but it seems to be pretty important. Oh, oh, there you are. There you are. Come on now. Come on now. Get on out of here. Get on out of there. Do it. Do it. I forgot these things rotate. So you can rotate them so you can get better leverage. Get it. Get it. Get it. Get it. Get it. Okay, there's one. And is that the other one? Maybe. Yep. Those are it. There's only two left, so I'm going to take this all the way off. Longest TikTok ever. There we go. Now it's all the way out of the way. Kinda. Not really. Shit. Now I can't reach my tools. Okay. Now to prep for surgery. Did you know that you're supposed to grease your bulbs? Yeah. You're supposed to lubricate your bulbs. You gotta change your bulb grease every 3,000 miles. This is a 168 according to the Advanced Auto Parts website. This is very hard to do with one hand. So personally, I just add a little schmutz on the end. That way when you press it in, it puts all the stuff where it's supposed to be. It's supposed to keep any sort of moisture out of the socket so you don't get corrosion, you know. I don't know. I've done it. I haven't done it. And most of the time it's fine. How am I supposed to get this out with one hand? Yeah, like that, I guess. Also, if you can help it, try not to touch the glass. It's supposed to make your bulbs last longer. Focus. Focus. Get in now. Get on in here. Get on in here. Ooh, look at that. And then rotate. You gotta find how it's clocked. It's clocked a certain way. Oh. Get on in there. There we go. And then same thing for the other side. You know, technically you can take the socket out completely, but I only have one hand, so that would be pointless. Why make it harder? Man, I got to start doing more finger workouts. Ta-da. There we go. Ta-da. How do I do this? How do I do this? All right, here we go. Oh, somebody come hold this for me. Let's put this one. All right, we're going to put this one in. Find the hole. Bam. Will that hold it? Yes. Well, those are dim, but that's okay. I don't really want to light up the world with my license plate lights anyway. Bam. Oh no. Damn battery's dead. Maybe don't leave your lights on while you're changing the license plate bulb while filming a TikTok. It might kill the battery. But anyway, that's how you change that. Best of luck to you. Chances are, if you have the bulbs, you can almost do the whole damn thing with, you know, your car keys, if you're creative enough.